Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a simple garbage truck. So you can see that I'm using my compass with a black pen in it to draw the simple garbage truck. At the beginning, I'm drawing a straight line and I'm drawing a circle. Definitely this will be the wheels of the garbage truck. Okay, there are 3 same-sized circles, and now I'll be drawing tiny circles inside each of the circles. I'm using my ruler and my black pen. I'm drawing 2 tiny lines here. Let's connect them. Now I'll be drawing a straight line. I will be drawing another straight line here. Now let's draw the back portion of the garbage truck. I'm drawing some arrows here. Drawing is done. Now for the coloring, I'm using my green pen. Let's do it faster. Okay, now I'm using my green highlighter pen. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the coloring of the first wheel. I used the same blue color in the first wheel. Now I'm using my cyan pen. For the rest, I'm using my yellow pen. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.